Hi, I'm Dr. Siegmund from CORE Chiropractic, and I'm here today to demonstrate for you a good way to stretch your hamstrings in the office or at home. All you're going to need is a chair, and also we're going to be performing this standing. But the first I'm going to show you is with the chair. Now the hamstrings are a muscle that attaches from the lower part of your bottom and it goes to your knee. Now this is a muscle that gets very, very tight throughout the day or in any kind of sedentary position when you're going to be sitting for 8, 9, or 10 hours. These muscles get very, very tight and they can contribute to you having some pelvic or lower back pain. A good way to stretch the hamstring is to take one leg, putting it on a chair, making sure that it's nice and stable, it does not have any wheels under it, get a nice stable office chair. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold one leg back and one leg on the chair, and you're just going to slightly lean into this leg. You're going to be stretching that left hamstring. You should feel a nice gentle pull. Do not force too far forward because you can have a chance of straining the hamstring and it can cause some pain. So just feel a nice gentle pull. Lean into the legs very, very slightly. Hold it for 20 seconds, and then after that's done, relax. Come to a neutral position. Just making sure that you do have something around you if you feel like you're going to fall or if you're losing your balance, that you do not have a chance of hurting yourself. So again, nice gentle stretch. Lean into the hamstring. Feel a pull and just relax. Performing this 5 times in the morning and in the evening or prior to any activity. Now another way that you can perform this stretch is just in a standing position. You will not need a chair. We can move the chair out of the way here. Now if you feel like you're going to lose your balance at any point, make sure you put the chair around you so that way you don't have a chance of falling. And the easy way to perform the stretch is, again, we're going to stretch the right hamstring this time. All you're going to do is you're going to take one leg, the right one, and you're going to slightly put it forward. Now in order to increase the stretch, same thing with the chair, you're just going to slightly lean into the right leg. Making sure that you keep that toe up, heel on the ground, and slightly lean into the leg. You should feel that nice gentle stretch into the hamstring. You might even feel a little bit into the calf, which is still going to be very, very beneficial for you. Perform this as well for 20 seconds at a time, 5 times in the morning and the evening or prior to any activity. Alright, now we're going to show you how to stretch the hamstrings in a lying position. What you're going to want to do is find a nice area, just so that nothing's in your way, that you're going to be kicking anything or having anything that you might roll on. What you want to do is you're just going to lay back. And then in order to stretch the left hamstring, what we're going to be doing is we're going to take both of our hands and we're going to put it right behind the knee. Not right under where the calf is, but just right above that, right above the back part of the knee. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and you're going to perform a nice pull. And when you're pulling with your knee, or pulling with your hands, you should feel a nice gentle stretch right into the hamstring. If you want to increase the stretch a little bit, what you can do is you can take your leg, push it into your hands, and push really, really hard for just a couple of seconds. And then what you do is you'll allow yourself to release the push, and then that should allow you to pull your hamstring back just a little bit more. You can do this about 5 times, about 20-second hold each time, and make sure you perform it on each leg.